What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're back at Nike Westlake. Came here, I think, a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks ago. I just wrapped up at the Nike outlet in Camarillo, so I'm headed home. Still got a couple 20% off coupons. Some of you guys, it's gonna be too late for you guys to use yours by the time you guys see this, but I need to get a lot of videos because I'm gonna be working on next weekend. So yeah, let's see what we find, you guys. Still got that 30% off sign, dope. We still got the huge clearance section back there. Super dope, super dope. I am starting off the size 10.5, trying to get some more luck. But yeah, these 30% off, $119, and then use a 20% off coupon. Man, don't get much cheaper than that. I think we did see these for similar price at Foot Locker, but that's it. Whoa, they dropped the price on these, you guys. $100. So $100 plus 30% off plus 20% off, it's 56 bucks. 56 bucks. And yeah, the quality on this stuff is not bad, you guys. And that cushioning is supposed to be amazing. And I was like, are these Metcons? No, the Vapor Zoom Cage 4 hardcourt. So tennis shoes going for $130. Air Max 2090 retail game. Kyries 6 going for $110. These are all size 10.5. Metcon 2s, $40, and then you get a discount. That is a size 11. Got the Vomero 14, size 11, $100 too. Back to the size 10.5. These are the Air Max 720 E18s, $117. You get all those discounts. Got these bad boys, 720 waves, $130 plus the discounts. $165. Get the discounts on top of that. Pegasus 36s, you get these for $50 plus the discount. So that's might be under $30. Yeah, damn. Back to the size 11. Still got these in $112 plus the discounts. Got one of these, same price. And the 11.5s, got these. These are still going for $117. These bad boys, the Metcon 2s, $40. I think that's like 28 bucks or $27 something after the discount thing. Got these in the size 12, going for $54 still after the discounts. No, this is a size 12 as well. The Killshot 2 leathers go for $90. Now they use the good stuff for this one too. Decent leather. When the size 13s actually have a decent selection, I guess. Air Max 2090s retail. The Metcon 2s go for a crazy $40 bucks plus the discounts. $130 for these. This is a 12.5. This is that weightlifting shoe. I forgot what they're called. I forgot what they're called. Man, these are going for $200 retail game. The Romelio 4. Yeah, $200. Do get the discounts though. Metcons. These are the Metcon 5s going for $80. PG4s going for $90. Got the 720 818s. These are going for $117. Good discount. The size 10s. Zoom Freak 2s going for retail, but get that 30 and 20. React Sur 2s, $130 for these, size 10. More of these. You got these, the Coming to America colorway, $90 for these. Then the discounts and stuff, that's just cheap. More 720 818s going for, what is that, $117. You got some LeBrons here, retail game, size 10. The Killshot SPs, size 10, retail. Got these, the Jordan Craters, kind of interesting. Not to die for, but yeah, these are going for the retail $150. Kind of more than you would think. But you do get the discounts. Going down in size 9.5. Got these for $54. Retail for that. There's no way that's retail. More of these, size 9.5, $100. I was like, these aren't trophies. No, these are, I think these are some Nike IDs, yeah. Some Kyries 6 Nike IDs, all red. Does have that back there. $130 for those. Then you get discounts on top of that. Aerospace 720s. That's a size 9.5 retail game. Okay, so these, it showed as retail before, but yeah, $159 for that. Still overpriced though. Size 9, going for $117. This is new. Size 9 Metcon 3s. Going for retail. Oh, these are the free Metcon 3s. Going for retail game. Metcon 5s. Yeah, Metcon 5s go for $100, size 9. Kind of seeing the same stuff on the smaller sizes, you guys. This is the size 8 stuff that we've seen. More size 8s. These are going for $160. We've seen these significantly cheaper at the retail shops. More of the same old, you guys. Pretty much all the stuff that we've seen. Yeah, well, let's go see what's going on in the regular aisles, you guys. So let's see what's up. These are the size 6s right here. Odyssey React 2 Flyknits. Pegasus 36 Trails. Pegasus 37. Oh, wow. It's the LA Rams, too. That's pretty surprising. I know a couple people out there that would love this. Wow, PLTs are 20% off, too. Wow. What is this? React Miler? Never seen this. Does look like it's full-length React. Came out for $130, down to $70. Not too bad. Some more React Milers. Infinity Run Flyknits. Another one of those Infinity Run Flyknits. Do got the Renew Run here, going for super cheap. I know some people have said these are not bad at all. Okay. Another colorway of those. Odyssey React Flyknit 2s, going for more than a lot of the outlets we've seen. These are the Air Zoom Super Reps. Really weird design. I don't know what this is for. Is this for running, or I don't know what this is for. Feels like it's just cush line in the back. Does have that fat Air Zoom unit. I have no clue what the Super Reps are for. I haven't really looked into it much. They do look super weird though. But yeah, $85 plus a discount. Metcons, that's a classic dope colorway. Super cheap. These are the Metcon 5s. They are on the 6s now. The React Metcons, no laces for these, $100. This is 30% off, $100 for these. Metcon Flyknit 3s. Got these with just a strap. What are these? The Metcon Sports? Sucks because I know you guys on the East Coast probably love these. The SBF Fields. Oh yeah, this is the one that we saw, the brown one, but yeah, this is a black one. Doper colorway, $110. Normally $170, I think. Flytrap 3s. That's just hilarious. I hope you guys aren't going out and buying these. I guess nobody's really buying them. Like, not one empty spot. Oh wait, there's one empty spot right there. Okay. Kyries. Okay, Tailwinds. More Tailwinds. Air Max 2090s. They look the exact same, but they're slightly different. $120 for these. Whoa, I've never seen Jordans here. Oh, I guess I have, but never seen in Jordan mids. Jordan mids, $125. I guess these are one of the ones that didn't sell. Got plenty of them. Dang. You got some Air Force Ones. We've seen a few of these. These are B grade. Only a couple sizes left, 10 and 11.5. But to be able to get these for 30% off, most of the times the B grades, there's really nothing wrong with them. Usually you can tell. Maybe the front right there, kind of a little weird. Checking the other one, seeing if this one has any issues with the front. No, the front's totally clean. So yeah, be able to get these for 20% off. That's what's up, man. What's up? Still got the Mocs here, the Fear God Mocs. Oh, the Blazer Premiums. Hey, normally $100 down to $70. We did see these last week. This is a dope colorway, just not feeling that super high price. It is under $100 though, I guess. Oh, never mind. Dang, that 30% off wasn't there last time. Then got these 270 Reacts. Yeah, let's go check out the women's section. So we're back to the clearance area. All the women's and guys kind of next to each other. Let's see what's up here. All right, we're starting at least in the size 6s right here. These are going for $70. These are going for $79.97. Do you get that extra 30 and 20? Got some React Phantom Run Flyknits. These are the ones with no laces, going for $110. Do you get all the discounts? Right next to that, Metcon 5s going for $100, size 6. Got some Infinity Run Flyknits going for $139.99. Joyrides going for $98. Another one going for $84. These are both 6.5. Do you got some Daybreaks? This is size 5. I don't know why this is over here. Oh, maybe it's a men's size 5, which is 6.5 women's. Maybe that's it. Yeah, it is going for, that's 6.5 women's, size 5 men's. I don't know why that's in this section. Dude got some Jordan 1s, 6.5, going for $110. Yeah, that's terrible. And size 7s, don't have much. Got a couple of Air Max 200. Those are going for $100. Those are going for $80. More size 7s. Daybreaks. These are going for $80. These are $110. These are $65. That's a 7.5. We've seen these for as low as like $40 plus discounts. So Yeah, we've seen better deals. More of these go for 80. These are Pegasus Turbos. Super reps, but yeah, it says super rep right here. But these are, what is it? Is this cycling shoes? Oh, yep. Super rep cycle. Go for 85. I know cycling shoes got some value to them, so that's a pretty decent deal. Got these bad boys, 7.5, go for $120. Joyride, 7.5. These are the Optic, go for $100. Air Max 200s, go for $100. Oh yeah, got some leather on the top. Got the Air Max 90s. They got the chrome version, go for $120. That is a size kind of like in the guys section, kind of seeing the same stuff over and over. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. These are the size 8.5s, all the way to the size 10s. I feel like we're seeing the same stuff over and over. But we can pause for this one. Air Max 97, go for $110. That is size 9. Pretty dope colorway. But the rest of the stuff, kind of the same stuff we've seen over and over and over. We're gonna go check out the aisles. Saw this just out of, I don't know why this is over here. This is size 6.5. Air Max 97. That is $110. So that's pretty dope with all the discounts. Dang, we're in the women's section. We're starting off with stuff like this. The Nike Free TR Flyknit 3s. What the heck? Alright, we got the Metcon 5s going for 80. Then the Free Metcon 2s go for super cheap. Got the Tailwinds. These are the same price as last week. Air Max 90s. And they're selling, so barely got any sizes left. These are not selling as well. These Air Max 90s, same price as last week as well. Oh, okay. You got the Sage Air Force One lows. More Air Max 90s. Oh, okay. I thought these would be all done. I think the men's size is all sold out though. Got the Air Force Ones. Use that 20% off. Totally worth it. Yep. You got these bad boys, the Vomero 14s. More of those. The Infinity Run Flyknits. Wait, the React Infinity Run Flyknits. Oh, that's an interesting one. I haven't seen too many where the React is actually colored. Ooh, that's interesting. Dang. Dude, got the Pegasus Turbos. Still really, really well priced, man. And I love this colorway, this baby blue. Super dope. Is that baby blue turquoise? I can't tell. This is off of 108. Dude, got some generics. These are the Joyride dual runs. Some more Joyrides. Yeah, kind of whatever. Got a couple decent things. Air Max 720s. The Air Max 97 SEs. Got plenty of sizes. All white Air Max 97s. Can't go wrong with that. I'm not a fan of that regular price though. And then the Vapor Max 360. These apparently are really good deals because aren't many of them. Alright, checking out the kids clearance section. Do have a few Air Max and stuff. Kind of interesting. Size 4 KD13. Going for 105. Ooh, some Air Force Ones. These are dope. Oh, let's go for retail game though. Does have nubuck on it. Pretty dope. Size 6Y, you do get all the discounts since this is a clearance section. 6Y, Air Max 95, go for $70. 6.5, got them in a few sizes. 6.5, you got these $70 for the Zoom Free 2s. Wow, that's not bad at all. $70, get the discounts. Probably like $40 after the discount. Wow. And then this is a size 5. You got these 105 for these. Air Max 95, pretty dope. Oh, these change a lot. These change a lot under the light. I thought just the top lines would have that 3M stuff on it, but no, it's wow, that's pretty dope. Going for 105. Do you get the discounts? Size 4.5. I did skip over this. I didn't notice this, but yeah, $60. $60 for Air Max 90s. Plus, you get the discounts now. We are in the kids aisles now. Huarache runs. React Prestos, Air Max 200s, Air Max 97s, these are pretty dope. The Forrest Gumps, the Cortez Basic. That's a good price for the Cortez, you guys. They normally go for what, $80, $90? Oh, the kids is 60, so I guess not too great. Air Max 90s, more of those. 270s, 270 Reacts. I got the Kyries 6s. And I think this is the retail game portion right here, you guys. It's got all these for retail game. Maybe you could use the 20% off, which might make it worth it. Yeah, I got some decent stuff here too. Got these Air Force Ones, pretty dope. Then this is the preschool stuff, you guys. So A little bit cheaper for those. I've already sent out 4 things for the giveaway, guys, but I haven't given away 2 sweatshirts, so I need to buy a couple more. Not really seeing any good sales though. We saw these, what, week and a half, 2 weeks ago. These are dope, but we saw these at the clearance center. So I'm gonna have to go back there. These are going for $54 here, normally $80. I really liked this one, and they have a black one as well. That's going for regular price. This going for retail as well, 80 bucks. A little too steep, but yeah, we did see the green one. I'm gonna check the clearance center. I'm gonna go tomorrow. So I need to send these out. They do have a small clearance area right here. Jordan long sleeve shirts. These are pretty dope. Going for 20 bucks. Oh, and this feels really good too. So 30% off and 20% off. Let's see if they got the right size for this. Damn, these are actually dope. 20 bucks. Dang, I think this will go down to like $10. $10 for a Jordan shirt. And it even says Jordan Jumpman on the side. This is actually dope. Oh no, it says Jordan on the side, my bad. Yeah, this is dope, dude. These going for 18. Pretty dope t-shirt. Damn, bunch of t-shirts for $7. Nike t-shirts. They're kind of whatever though. Okay, same rack. Yeah, I'm kind of done with these. Let's go check another aisle. Yeah, these racks kind of mediocre. Got some golf. They got some golf polo shirts. What are these going for? Normally 85, and these are going for $35. Okay, that's a pretty good discount. And you get 30% off on top of that. Do you got stuff right here? Oh, got the Saquon Barkley jerseys. Yeah, these are all large if I remember. 80 bucks for those. Oh, this is the stamped ones. Not the super high-end ones, but yeah, normally 100 goes down to 80 to get extra discounts. Oh, do you got the Elliott jersey right here? This is, oh, it looks like a kid's. It's a small, but it does have, yeah, normally $150 down to $120. Pretty dope if you're a fan. It is a size small. Looks like they're authentic because it does have, it is stitched on, so that's pretty dope. Alright, not too much in the pail. We're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up.